Hi everyone. Today we'll be doing some testing on some washing machines that I've picked up today. So let's start off with this section. Door is locked though, so we might have to. Let's have just. It's got something in it. I'll turn it on. Anyway, door is locked, door is open. Nasty though, so yeah. Anyway. Let's turn the washing machine on. Shame it's a brand new washing machine that's doing this already, so not sure if it's probably just poorly made by accident. Probably fiction has poorly made this washing machine. I don't know why. Let's try and see if we can get spin. Yeah. Make sure it's empty the water. Anyway, start of this, now I've got this other section, I'll turn it on. This is older than. Let's check, now I've got the Schlesinger. Schlesinger is quite broken, this washing machine. Not sure what's going on with this machine. Some thing might be wrong with it. Yeah, that's quite a nice job, that. Taking this water with this. Look at the drain pump. I've got the Dunlop in the corner after the section. Let's turn it on. Dunlop. Yeah, Dunlop fluid wash. Yeah, I'll probably turn it on. Because now I've got this orange Schlesinger. Splash that. Let's put that on spin, I think. See again. And now we're going to see if we can get all this wash machine to work. I've got one of the furniture cushion cases in this washing machine though, so Well, I guess that's it for this washing machine. See how much I need a motherboard, because it could be the PCB that's failing on this washing machine. You check the doors also. Yeah, the PCB just failed already. I don't think there's nothing on this. That's horrible noise as well. So, well, Suds lock, refurbishing machine. I don't know what's this wash machine. This Messenger's doing. This doesn't. Oh no. I feel this wash machine is acting like it's unbalanced, even though it's probably just got nothing in the drum. Ooh, it's not spinning. I'm going to turn this off. Perhaps it's got something to do with this the concrete weight on this wash machine. Ooh, the other section, that's also completely. The tiny silver is fine. The other section, it had already it's still fine. I'm not sure if you can have it for long, because it doesn't seem to. But this Messenger doesn't want to spin. That's why. Maybe it's something to do with the concrete weight. It's not rattling or something. So I suppose probably got something to do with the not sure. It's not the motherboard. So it might be the concrete weight. Needs replacing or something. Anyway, section is still going. Messenger is still spinning perfectly. No errors, especially the Dunlop. Alright. Look out. Oh no, look how bad that drum is. That's in horrible state, that. I don't think I'll be washing any laundry in this drum with this big bend in it. Just try to bend back. I think that washing machine will be down for destruction then. The rest of them will be fine. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.